What's up, ABC family? Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you these easy keto, I'm gonna call them little sugar. The only reason I'm whispering is because I have two little toddlers who hear me all the time and it's a surprise for them. But these are wonderful, they're amazing. So let's go ahead and stop talking so I can show you guys this amazing recipe. And it's so easy and not that many ingredients, and you will be surprised on how good it is. Let's go ahead.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without free.
Okay, so what you need is, you obviously need your blender, not your blender, your mixer. You need 1 stick of softened butter. I'm using grass-fed butter. And then you need a 1/2 cup of any sweetener you like. I'm using erythritol. And we're going to go ahead and just mix this up until the butter is softened.
We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Okay, so it wasn't completely softened. Just make sure all of your butter is softened. That's why I'm taking a fork to it. It's not a big deal. And then now I have the perfect consistency. Okay, then you need 1.5 cups of almond flour. Need a splash of vanilla. A pinch of salt. A little bit of liquid stevia. And 1 egg. And then you're going to mix it, and then your batter will be done.
Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da. Ba 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 da ba ba. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Come on in, get together. Come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house.
And now you're going to bake these for 15 minutes. And this is what they look like. very, very good. Now we're gonna try it. So good. Now we're gonna get the kids to try it and see how they like it. Is it good? Is it good? Like, that's a yes. It's absolutely really good. It's hard not to overeat it, but it is so good. So good. So I hope you guys try this out. Comment down below if you did and let me know how it is. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.
It will always be Christmas in my heart.